Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use push to talk on Xbox and also how to set it up the easiest way. By default, push to talk is assigned to down on the D-pad, but before using it, let's quickly go through the settings. First, press start and open settings. Once you're inside, move to the audio tab at the top. Now scroll down to the voice chat section and make sure voice chat is turned on. This allows both proximity chat and party chat to work properly. For party chat, which is your own team, I prefer keeping it on open mic. That way only your party can hear you, not everyone in the game. For proximity chat, I recommend using toggle to talk. With this option, you press the button once to activate proximity chat and it stays on until you press it again. It's much easier on console. If you want, you can also set party chat to push to talk or toggle to talk, but on Xbox, this setup feels the most comfortable. Now let me show you how it works in the game. Look at the bottom left where my name is. When I press down on the D-pad once, you'll see a yellow speaker icon appear. That means proximity chat is active. Press it again and it turns off. If you're using push to talk instead, you'll need to hold the D-pad down while speaking. As soon as you release it, the chat turns off, and that's how you use push to talk on Xbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. I'll move to the next one. Bye bye.